హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ క్లాస్. నా క్లాస్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వింటున్నట్లయితే డెఫినెట్గా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ లైక్ కూడా చేయండి. సో ఇన్ దిస్ క్లాస్ వి విల్ డూ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 6A సెక్షన్ 2. లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో మనం ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 6A సెక్షన్ 1 కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఈ క్లాస్లో ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 6A సెక్షన్ 2 సమ్స్ చేద్దాం. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్, ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 minus x square whole power 3 dx. 1 minus x square whole power 3 dx. So solution of first one, integral 1 minus x square whole power 3 dx. Whole power 3 dx is equals to, it is in the form of a minus b whole cube formula. A minus b whole cube formula. So what is a minus b whole cube formula? A minus b whole cube is equals to a minus b whole power 3 is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b power 3. This is the formula. A minus b whole power 3 is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b power 3. Here a is equals to 1, a is equals to 1, b is equals to x square, b is equals to x square, and a power 3 అంటే 1 power 3 వస్తుంది, 1 power 3 minus 3a square b, 3 into 1 square into b అంటే x square, 3 into 1 square into x square plus 3ab square, 3 into 1 into x square whole square, x square whole square minus b power 3 minus x square whole power 3 minus x square whole power 3 integral dx. Integral dx ఇది a minus b whole cube formula. సో 1 power 3 అంటే 1 వస్తుంది. సో ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 dx రైట్ రాస్తున్నా మైనస్ 3 1 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 1, 3 1s are 3, 3x square dx. ఇంటిగ్రల్ 3x square dx, 3x square dx, x square whole square x power 4 plus ఇంటిగ్రల్ 3x power 4 dx, 3x power 4 dx minus ఇంటిగ్రల్ 2 3 is 6, x power 6 dx, x power 6 dx. So integral 1 dx is equals to x only. Integral 1 dx is equals to x, and we know the formula x power n dx is equals to, what is the formula? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c constant. C is the integral constant. Apply this formula. So integral 1 dx is equals to 1x only. So x minus 3 into integral x square dx plus 3 into integral x power 4 dx minus x power 6 dx, x power 6 dx. Now it is in the form of x power n form lo undi. So ee formula apply, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here n is equals to 2, so x minus 3 into x square x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 into some, it also in the form of x power n, n is equals to 4, and ఈ RHS formula apply చేయాలి మనం. X power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1, x power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 minus same x power n form, n is equals to 26. So apply this formula, x power 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 plus constant c. So is equals to x minus 3, 2 plus 1 3 కదా, so 3 gets cancelled, x power 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 1 5, x power 5 by 5 minus x power 1 by 7 plus c. This is the solution of first question. Now second one, solution of second question. So integral 3 by root x minus 2 by x plus 1 by 3x square dx, 1 by 3x square dx. So take separate integration. So integral 3 by root x dx, 3 by root x dx minus integral 2 by x dx plus integral 1 by 3x square dx, 1 by 3x square dx. So take out 3 constant outside. So 3 integral 1 by root x dx, 1 by root x dx minus 2 into integral 1 by x dx plus 1 by 3 outside రాయండి. So 1 by 3 outside. 1 by x square ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం x power minus 2 dx. We can write 1 by x square as x power minus 2. X power minus 2. So we know the formula integral 1 by root x dx is equals to 2 root x. 2 root x. లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో నేర్చిన చెప్పిన ఫార్ములాస్ డెఫినెట్గా నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ వస్తేనే ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వింగ్ వస్తుంది మనకి. ఓకేనా? ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 by root x dx is equals to 2 root x. So 3 into 2 root x minus 2 into integral 1 by x dx. Integral 1 by x dx is equals to log x. Log x plus 1 by 3. It is in the form of x power n formula. X power n dx. X power n dx is equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. N is equals to what? Minus 2. So ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? x power n plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus constant c. Constant c. So 3 to the 6x, 6 root x minus 2 log x plus 1 by 3 into minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 x power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. So minus 1 ముందు రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం. 6 root x minus 2 log x minus 1 by 3 into x power minus 1 kada, we can write that as 1 by x. We can write that as 1 by x plus c. This is the solution of second question. Now third question. What is third one? Root x plus 1 by x whole square dx. Root x. Solution of third one. Root x plus 1 by x whole square dx. Integral dx is equals to. So we can write this as ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు దీన్ని మనం? root x plus 1 whole square by x square integral dx. Integral dx. So it is in the numerator in the form of a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write this as root x whole square. Integral root x whole square plus 1 square plus 2ab, 2 root x divided by x square. Divided by x square dx. So square root cancel. So we can write separate రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం. అంటే x by x square dx. 1 square అంటే 1 కదా. ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 by x square dx plus ఇంటిగ్రల్ 2 root x by x square dx. 2 root x by x square dx. So x cancel here. So integral 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx plus 1 by x square ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? x power minus 2 రాయొచ్చు. We can write this as x power minus 2 dx plus integral 2 root x. So x square ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం? x power minus 2 రాయొచ్చు. x power minus 2 dx. Root x అంటే we can write root x as x power 1 by 2. x power 1 by 2. So integral 1 by x dx is equals to log x. We know the right formula log x plus it is in the form of x power n formula. X power n. Okay, wait, next up with them. X power minus 2 dx plus 2 into integral. Here bases are same. Adding the powers. Powers add చేస్తే మనకి వస్తుంది 2 to the 4 అంటే 1 minus 4 minus 3. X power minus 3 by 2 వస్తుంది. X power minus 3 by 2 dx. X power minus 3 by 2 dx. So it is in the form of x power n. ఇది కూడా x power n ఫామ్ లో ఉంది. x power n ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఏంటి? x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So log x plus x power n plus 1. X power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 into minus 2 plus minus n n plus 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 plus constant c. Constant c. So simplify చేద్దాం కొంచెం దీన్ని. minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్ కూడా minus 1 వస్తుంది is equals to log x x plus x power minus 1 by minus 1 plus 2 into LCM 2 1 the 2 minus 3 plus 2 అంటే minus 1 వస్తుంది అంటే x power minus 1 by 2 by same 2 1 the 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus c minus 1 by 2 plus c. So we can write my denominator minus 1 kada ikkada radam minus ni. So log x minus x power minus 1 అంటే 1 by x రాయొచ్చు మనం 1 by x and ఇది రెసిప్రోకల్ అవుతుంది మైనస్ ఇక్కడ రాయొచ్చు మనం 2 2s are 4 4 into 1 by x power 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2 అంటే 1 by x power 1 by 2 రాయొచ్చు plus c x power 1 by 2 is equals to root x is equals to log x minus 1 by x minus 4 by root x plus c. Log x minus 1 by x minus 4 by root x plus c. This is the solution of third question. Now fourth question. Fourth one. Integral 3x plus 1 whole square by 2x dx. 2x dx. So numerator in the form of a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square. So a square 3x whole square plus b square. B is equals to 1 అంటే 1 square అంటే 1 వస్తుంది 2ab 2 into 3x into 1 6x. So 6x by denominator 2x dx. So 3 square అంటే 9 9x separate రాద్దాం 9x square by 2x dx plus integral 1 by 2x dx plus integral 6x by 2x dx 6x by 2x dx. So here xx cancel. See here xx cancel. Remember 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 9 by 2 kada 9 by 2 outside radam 9 by 2 integral x dx plus 1 by 2 outside radam integral 1 by x dx plus 3 outside radam integral 1 dx integral 1 dx. So integral x dx is equals to it is in the form of x power n. X power n is equals to 1 and x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి 9 by 2 into x power n plus 1 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 అంటే 2 by 2 వస్తుంది plus 1 by 2 integral 1 by x dx is equals to log x plus 3 into integral 1 dx is equals to x only plus c. This is a constant. Okay, 2 2s are 4 రాయండి అంటే ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుందంటే 9 by 4 x square plus 1 by 2 log x plus 3x plus c. This is the solution of fourth question. Now fifth question. Integral root 2x minus 1 by 3 root x whole square dx. Solution of fifth question. Integral 2x minus 1 by 3 root x whole square dx is equals to we can write this as whole square ఉంది కదా so integral 2x minus 1 whole square by 3 root x whole square dx it is in the form of a minus b whole square formula. A is equals to 2x, b is equals to 1. So a square అంటే 2x whole square అంటే we get 4x square integral 4x square plus minus 1 square అంటే 1 only minus 2ab 2 into 2x 4x by so here square and root gets cancelled for x square root cancel అవుతుంది so 3 square అంటే 9x integral dx so separate రాయండి so integral 4x square by 9x plus dx plus 1 by 9x dx minus 4x by 9x dx so cancellation unte cancellation ayandi so xx gets cancelled so here xx gets cancelled take out 4 by 9 outside 4 by 9 integral x dx plus 1 by 9 integral 1 by x dx minus 4 by 9 integral 1 dx so integral x dx is equals to it is in the form of x power n integration ఏంటి x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 అంటే x power 1 లేదా x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 అంటే x power 1 plus 1 2 వస్తుంది అంటే 4 by 9 into x square by 2 plus 1 by 9 integral 1 by x dx is equals to log x formula log x minus 4 by 9 integral 1 dx is equals to x only x plus c సో మనకి పాసిబుల్ అయితే క్యాన్సిల్ చేయండి. 2 1s are 2 2s are. సో 2x square by 9 plus log 1 by 9 log x 1 by 9 log x minus 4 by 9 x 4x by 9 plus c. This is the solution of fifth question. Solution of fifth question. Now sixth question solution. Sixth one, integral 1 by root x plus 2 by root over x square minus 1 minus 3 by 2x square dx is equals to, so right, first write separate ఒక్కొక్క టర్మ్ సెపరేట్ రాయండి. ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 by root x dx plus integral 2 by root over x square minus 1 minus integral 3 by 2x square dx. 2x square dx మన డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్మ్ లో ఉంది. ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 by root x dx is equals to 2 root x. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ లో రాద్దాం. 1 by root x dx, take out 2 outside. Integral 1 by root over x square minus 1 dx. Total bracket తీసుకోండి, సెపరేట్ చేయలేదు ఇంకా. Right. So here take out 3 by 2 outside. 3 by 2. We can write 1 by x square as x power minus 2 dx. x power minus 2 dx. ఎందుకంటే x power n ఫార్మ్ లో రాస్తే మనం ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. So we know the formula. Integral 1 by root x dx is equals to 2 root x plus, we know that this formula, direct formula, integral 1 by root over x square minus 1 dx is equals to cos h inverse x. Cos h inverse x. Next minus 3 by 2. It is in the form of x power n formula. X power n integral dx is equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus constant c. Integral constant c. So we can write this as 2 root x plus 2 cos h inverse x. Minus 2 plus 1 అంటే minus 1 కదా, ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ మైనస్ ఉంది. మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ బికమ్స్ ప్లస్. సో ప్లస్ 3 by 2. minus 2 plus 1 అంటే minus 1 వస్తుంది. 1 x power minus 1. So we can write x power minus 1 as 1 by x. దాన్ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు అంటే 1 by x రాయొచ్చు. 1 by x plus c. So this is our solution. Solution of sixth one. Now seventh one. What is seventh question? Integral secant square x minus cos x. ఇవన్నీ డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఇవ్వండి. ఫార్ములాస్ రావాలి, లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో నేర్పించిన ఫార్ములాస్ రావాలి. సో ఇంటిగ్రల్ sec square x minus cos x plus x square dx. X square dx is equals to, right, separate. So integral sec square x dx minus integral cos x dx plus integral x square dx. So we know the direct formula. Integral secant square x dx is equals to tan x. ఎందుకంటే tan x differentiation secant square x and secant square x integration tan x. So this value is tan x. Cos x is sin x. Integral cos x dx is equals to sin x minus sin x plus, it is in the form of x power n dx. X power n dx is equals to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. And n equals to 2 kada. So x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus constant c. So is equals to tan x minus sin x plus 2 plus 1 3 kada. So x power 3 by 3 plus c. This is a solution of seventh question. Okay na? Now eighth question. Integral secant x tan x plus 3 by x minus 4 dx is equals to, right, separate. Integral secant x tan x dx plus integral 3 by x dx minus integral 4 dx. Constant is అంటే separate రాయండి. So integral secant x tan x dx 3 ఉందా 3 అవుట్ సైడ్ రండి ఇంటిగ్రల్ 3 1/x dx minus 4 integral x dx 4 dx. So we know the formula integral secant x dx is equals to secant x. So then place the formula secant x. So secant x, okay na, integral 1/x dx is equals to log x plus 3 log x minus integral 1 dx is equals to x only. So minus 4 into then plus x 4x plus c constant. Okay na, ఈ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్ములాస్ అంటే లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో ఫార్ములాస్ రాయించిన ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ డెఫినెట్ గా నేర్చుకోండి. ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ వస్తేనే సమ్స్ చేయడానికి వస్తుంది, లేకపోతే అస్సలు రాదు. ఓకేనా, దిస్ ఇస్ ద సొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ 8th క్వశ్చన్. నౌ 9th క్వశ్చన్, డైరెక్ట్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఆ డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేయడమే. సొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ 9th క్వశ్చన్. So write separate రాయండి integral root x dx minus integral 2 by 1 minus x square dx 1 minus x square dx. So root x అంటే x power 1 by 2 రాసుకోవచ్చునండి. So integral x power 1 by 2 dx minus 2 outside రండి 2 into under root of 1 minus x square dx. It is in the form of x power n. X power n form లో ఉంది మనకి. X power n కు ఇంటిగ్రల్ అంటే x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములా కూడా రాయాలి అవసరం కూడా. x power n dx is equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant c. x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So n equals to 1 by 2 కదా, అంటే x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 into integral 1 by 1 minus x square dx is equals to last class లో ఫార్ములా రాయించిన tan h inverse x ఫార్ములా అది tan h inverse x plus constant c. Here LCM is 2 is the LCM, 2 1 the 2 అంటే x 1 plus 2 3 by 2 వస్తుంది, అంటే x power 3 by 2 divided by 2 1 the 2 1 plus 2 3 by 2 వస్తుంది, 3 by 2 minus 2 tan h inverse x plus c. So 3 by 2 reciprocal అవుతుంది, 2 by 3 అవుతుంది, అంటే 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 minus 2 tan h inverse x plus c. This is the solution of 9th question. Now 10th one, integral x power 3 minus cos x plus 4 by root over x square plus 1 dx. So write separate with integral x power 3 minus cos x plus 4 by root over x square plus 1 dx is equals to, take separate x power 3 dx minus integral cos x dx plus integral 4 by root over x square plus 1 dx. ఈ కాన్స్టెంట్ 4 కదా 4 అవుట్ సైడ్ రాయండి. సో ఇంటిగ్రల్ x power 3 dx minus integral cos x dx plus 4 integral 1 by root over x square plus 1 dx. So it is in the form of x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So n is equals to 3. So x power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 minus integral cos x dx is equals to sin x. So the integral cos x ఏంటి sin x. So take sin x plus 4 into integral 1 by root over x square plus 1 or 1 plus x square is equals to sin h inverse x. So then value ఏంటి sin h inverse x plus constant c. So 3 plus 1 4 కదా, so we can write x power 4 by 4 minus sin x plus 4 sin h inverse x plus c. అవసరం అంటే ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములాస్ రాయండి. ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 by root over 1 plus x square is equals sin h inverse x, integral cos x is equals to sin x, integral x power n is equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is 10th question. Now 11th question. इंटीग्रल cos hx plus 1 by root over x square plus 1 dx. Same, right? Separate राయండి. So integral cos hx plus integral 1 by dx. Integral అంటే dx మర్చిపోవద్దు. Plus integral 1 by root over x square plus 1 dx. So integral cos hx dx is equals to లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో ఈ హైపర్బోలిక్ ఫార్ములాస్ రాయించలేదు, ఇక్కడ నోట్ చేసుకోండి, అవసరం ఉన్నది రాయిస్తా. సో ఇంటిగ్రల్ cos hx dx is equals to sin hx plus c. Sin hx plus c. Integral cos hx dx is equals to sin hx plus c. So integral cos hx dx is equals to the value sin hx dx, sin hx plus the value ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది కదా, integral 1 by root over x square plus 1 is equals to sin h inverse x plus sin h inverse x plus constant c, or sin h inverse x or logarithm of x plus root over 1 plus x square. రెండిట్లో ఏ ఫార్ములా రాసుకోవచ్చు మన ఇష్టం. ఓకేనా? This is 11th question. Now 12th one. ఇక్కడ కూడా హైపర్బోలిక్ sin hx ఫార్ములా ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములా రాస్తున్నాండి. ఇంటిగ్రల్ sin hx dx is equals to sin hx అంటే cos hx వస్తుంది, cos hx plus c. So take separate. Integral is equals to integral sin hx dx plus integral 1 by root over power 1 by 2 అంటే root root over x square minus 1 dx. So integral sin hx dx is equals to what? Cos hx is equals to cos hx plus integral 1 by root over x square minus 1 dx is equals to cos h inverse x plus c, or we can write this as logarithm of x plus root over x square minus 1 అంటే cos h inverse x అని తీసుకోవచ్చు దీని ప్లేస్ లో, or logarithm of x plus root over x square minus 1. ఆ టూ ఫార్ములాస్ ఉంటే ఏదైనా అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు, డిపెండ్ ఆన్ సిచ్యువేషన్. ఇక్కడ 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ కదా, ఏది తీసుకున్నా మనకి ఏ ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఓకేనా? This is the solution of 12th question. Now 13th question. This is very important 2 marks question. So integral a power x minus b power x whole square by a power x b power x dx is equals to, so numerator in the form of a minus b whole square formula, a minus b whole square. So we can write a minus b whole square is equals to a square. A is equals to a power x. A is equals to a power x. B is equals to b power x. So a square means a power x whole square. A power x whole square plus b square means b power x whole square minus 2ab minus 2a power x b power x divided by a power x b power x dx. Total dx ఇది. ఓకేనా? Now write separate రాయండి ఇప్పుడు. So integral a power x whole square by a power x b power x dx plus integral b power x whole square by a power x b power x dx minus integral 2a power x b power x by a power x b power x dx. సో మనం క్యాన్సిలేషన్ అవుతుందా చెక్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. a power x whole square అంటే a power x into a power x. ఇక్కడ ఒక a power x ఉంది కదా, అంటే a power x క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది, అంటే స్క్వేర్ ఉండదు. ఇక a power x క్యాన్సిల్, ఇంకొక a power x ఉంటుంది మనకి. ఇక్కడ వస్తే b power x whole square అంటే b power x into b power x. ఇక్కడ ఒక b power x ఉంది కదా, సో we can cancel one b power x cancel. Here a power x cancel, b power x cancel. ఓకేనా? సో రిమైనింగ్ ఏంటి? ఇంటిగ్రల్ a power x by b power x dx plus integral b power x by a power x dx minus 2 integral dx So power same ఉంది కదా, a power x by b power x. So we can write this as integral a by b whole power x dx plus we can write this as b by a whole power x dx. b by a whole power x dx minus 2 integral dx is equals to x only minus 2x plus c. So it is in the form of integral a power x dx. a power x dx is equals to a power x by log a to the base e plus c constant. So integral a power x dx is equals to a power x by log a to the base e. Okay na? ఇక్కడ సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. అంటే a అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, a is equals to a by b. So we can write this as a power x కదా, అంటే a by b whole power x by log a. a అంటే ఏంటి, a by b. log a అంటే a by b. next plus same ఇక్కడ b ఏంటి, b by a whole power x whole power x by log b by a minus 2x plus c. So దేని రాసుకోవచ్చు, log a by b అంటే log a minus log b కదా, అంటే a by b whole power x log a, we can write this as log a minus log b. So we can write this as plus b by a whole power x by log b minus log a minus 2x plus c. సో ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్ లో మైనస్ కామన్ చేయండి. మైనస్ కామన్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది, a by b whole power x log a minus log b. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ కామన్ తీస్తున్నా, మైనస్ కామన్ తీస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి, మైనస్ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది, ప్లస్ మైనస్ అవుతుంది. మైనస్ కామన్ తీస్తే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది కదా, ప్లస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ బికమ్స్ మైనస్ b by a whole power x by minus common తీస్తే this minus becomes plus becomes minus, అంటే log a వస్తుంది, log a minus log b minus 2x plus c. So what is the denominator LCM, log a minus log b, take outside, is equals to 1 by log a minus log b into what is the remaining, a by b whole power x minus b by a whole power x minus 2x plus c. This is a solution of 13th question. Very easy and important 2 marks question. Very important. Okay na? Next 14th question. Integral secant square x into cosec square x dx. So we can write secant square x as 1 by cos square x. Secant square x ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం, 1 by cos square x రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇంటిగ్రల్ secant square x into cosec square x dx is equals to, we can write secant square x as 1 by cos square రాసుకోవచ్చు. దీన్ని 1 by cos square x into cosec square x is equals to 1 by sin square రాయొచ్చు, 1 by sin square x dx. అంటే 1 1 is 1, integral 1 by sin square x or cos square x into sin square x dx. కానీ మనకి డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా లేదు, 1 by cos square x ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ 1 by sin square x ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ లేదు. ఓకేనా, ఇవన్నీ by using identity sin cos ఉంది కదా, we can write this one as sin square x plus cos square x. దీని ప్లేస్ లో రాయొచ్చు మనం by sin square x plus cos square x. 1 is equals to sin square x plus cos square x divided by cos square x into sin square x dx. Okay na? Now write separate. Integral sin square x by cos square x sin square x dx plus integral cos square x by cos square x into sin square x dx. sin square x dx. మనకి క్యాన్సిలేషన్ అయితే క్యాన్సిలేషన్ చేయండి. sin square x cancel. Here cos square cancel. So 1 by cos square కదా, 1 by cos square అంటే secant square x. Integral secant square x dx plus 1 by sin square అంటే cosec square x. cosec square x dx. మన డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా ఉంది. ఇంటిగ్రల్ secant square x dx is equals to tan x. ఏంటి ఫార్ములా? tan x. ఇంటిగ్రల్ cosec square x dx is equals to minus cot x. స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్ములాస్ నేర్చుకోవాలి. ప్లస్ కాన్స్టెంట్ c. This is the solution of 14th question. Okay na? Now 15th question. Solution of 15th question. So integral 1 plus cos square x by 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x is equals to. So we know one important formula in trigonometry. In formula cos square theta is equal, sin square theta is minus sin square theta. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Sin square theta is equals to. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Here 1 minus cos 2 theta formula ఉంది. అంటే దీనిలో 2 sin square theta రాయాలి. We can write that as 2 sin square theta. So is equals to integral 1 plus dx, dx మర్చిపోయాం. 1 plus cos square x by 1 minus cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta is equals to, we can write this as 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta. Here theta is equals to x. So we can write this as 2 sin square x dx. Okay na? Now write separate is equals to integral 1 by 2 sin square x dx plus integral cos square x by 2 sin square x dx. Cos square x by 2 sin square x dx. So take out 2 outside. 1 by 2 integral 1 by sin square and cosec square x dx plus take out 1 by 2 outside. 1 by 2 cos by sin is equals to cot. So cot square x dx. But we know one identity, beautiful identity between cosec and cot. So what is the identity? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏముంది? ఓన్లీ cot ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే మనం డైరెక్ట్ గా cot ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ విత్ cot స్క్వేర్, we don't know the cot square x ఇంటిగ్రేషన్, we know the cosec square x ఇంటిగ్రేషన్. మనకి cosec square x ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ తెలుసు, రైట్ ఫార్ములా. cot square తెలియదు, సో cot square చేంజ్ చేయాలి మనం. ఓకేనా? సో cot square ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? దీన్ని రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ చేస్తే మొత్తం ప్లస్ అవుతుంది అంటే 1 లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ తీసుకురావాలి. cot square x is equals to cosec square theta minus 1 వస్తుంది. cosec square theta minus 1. సో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. 1 by 2 integral cosec square x dx plus 1 by 2 ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? cosec square theta minus 1. cosec square x minus 1 dx. cosec square x minus 1 dx. So cosec square theta integration is minus cot x plus 1 by 2. So cosec square x dx అంటే minus cot వస్తుంది, డైరెక్ట్ రాస్తున్నా minus cot x. Next 1 dx is equals to x. So minus x plus c constant. So total minus, take out minus common, ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి? minus of minus 1 by 2 cot x minus 1 by 2 common తీస్తే remaining ఏంటి? cot x plus x plus c plus constant is c. So minus 1 by 2 cot x minus 1 by 2 cot x plus x plus c. So that is the solution of 15th question. Now 16th, easy. So integral under root of 1 minus cos 2x dx. 1 minus cos 2x. Already 15th question we used 1 minus cos 2x value. So what is our cos 2x? 1 minus cos 2x value? 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta integral under root of 1 minus cos 2x dx is equals to integral, what is the value? 2 sin square theta, by using this formula 2 sin square x, 2 sin square x dx. So here square sin ki square root cancel avutundi and root 2 vastundi, integral root 2 sin x dx, sin x dx. So root 2 outside randi and root 2 integral sin x dx, sin x dx. So integral sin x is equals to minus cos x, minus cos x. So root 2 minus cos x plus constant c. So we can write this as minus root 2 cos x plus c. This is the solution of 16th question. 13th special 13, 14, 15 are very important 2 marks questions. Now 17th question. This also very important 2 marks question. Integral 1 by cos hx plus sin hx dx. So first then diagram we don't know the formula. So first then put change chedam manam 1 by cos hx plus sin hx dx is equals to, so multiply numerator and denominator with cos hx minus sin hx. Cos hx and minus sin hx to multiply indi, cos hx plus sin hx kada into cos hx minus sin hx by cos hx minus sin hx dx. So 1 into cos hx minus sin hx ante same ide vastundi is equals to integral cos hx minus sin hx divided by, so it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, and a cos h square x minus sin h square x, sin h square x dx. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ లో ట్రిగో హైపర్బోలిక్ ఫంక్షన్స్ లో మనకి ఐడెంటిటీ వస్తుంది, cos h square x minus sin h square x is equals to 1. This is the identity in hyperbolic functions. ఓకేనా, దీని వాల్యూ ఏంటి? డినామినేటర్ వాల్యూ 1. సో బై యూజింగ్ ఐడెంటిటీ, here I am writing cos h square x minus sin h square x is equals to 1. Yes, so substitute the value, integral cos hx minus sin hx by 1 dx, 1 dx. No, so now separate cos hx dx, cos hx dx minus integral sin hx dx. So what is the formula? Integral cos hx dx is equals to sin hx dx, sin hx dx, sin hx plus c, and minus sin hx value cos hx plus integral constant c. Okay na, this is the solution of 17th question, sin hx minus cos hx plus c. Now 18th question, ikkada chesna, okay, integral 1 by 1 plus cos x dx, integral 1 by 1 plus cos x dx. ఇది కూడా సేమ్ మోడల్, రేషనల్ డినామినేటర్ ని మల్టిప్లై న్యూమరేటర్ అండ్ డినామినేటర్ విత్ 1 minus cos x తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 1 by 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x divided by 1 minus cos x dx, 1 minus cos x dx is equals to 1 into 1 minus cos x అంటే సేమ్ ఇదే వస్తుంది, integral 1 minus cos x by, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So 1 square and we will get 1 only, minus cos square x dx. Okay na, 1 by using identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. We can write sin square theta is equals to, how can write sin square theta? 1 minus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This is the identity. We can write sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So we can write 1 minus cos square x is equals to sin square x is equals to integral 1 minus cos x by sin square x by using identity dx. Now write separate and integral 1 by 1 sin square x dx minus cos x by sin square x dx. Sin square x dx. 1 by sin is equals to cos x. So integral cos x square x dx minus, so దీనిలో రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం cos x by, we can write sin square x as sin x into sin x. Sin x into sin x dx. Okay na? Here 1 by sin x is equals to cosec, cos by sin is equals to cot. So we can write this as integral cosec square x dx minus integral 1 by sin ante cosec, cos by sin ante cot. So cosec x cot x, cosec x cot x dx, cot x dx. So we know the formula, integral cosec square x dx is equals to minus cot x minus, so integral cosec x cot x is equals to minus cosec x and minus cosec x plus constant c. So minus into minus plus, so cosec x minus cot x plus c. ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములాస్ కూడా రాయండి if it is possible. ఏంటి ఫార్ములా ఇక్కడ? సో ఇంటిగ్రల్ cosec x cot x is equals to minus, sorry, dx, don't forget dx is equals to minus cosec x plus c constant. Okay na? Solution of 18th is cosec x minus cot x plus c. So this is a solution of 18th question.